How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you Kegel exercises step by step at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So this video, I will show you guys 2 exercises that are amazing for your Kegels. So let's get started with the first exercise. First exercise, all you need to do, you guys, is a wall. That's all you need is a wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to do wall squats. We're going to hold the wall squat position for 10 Mississippis. Now, people always ask me, how do I feel the Kegel muscle being worked? To feel the Kegel muscle being worked, all you have to do, you guys, is start, go to the bathroom and do this, but start peeing and stop peeing midstream. That muscle that you're feeling, that's your Kegel muscle, you guys. So let's get started right now. We're going to hold the wall squat position for 10 seconds. So let's get into position. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. 30-second break, then we're going to redo it. And literally as simple as that. My legs were shaking. Make sure when you do your wall squats, you're going to parallel with your knees to your hip joint. They should be parallel. This is going to put it in a very, very tough position, you guys, but it's very advantageous too because it will help you guys out. So again, make sure you guys are doing that. Make sure your knees to your hips are parallel. That's how you're really going to be able to feel it. So again, we're going to keep on doing this. We're going to do another set, 10 Mississippi. Make sure you guys are following along at home if you guys want to see the best results possible. So again, get into this position. We're going to go down. We're going to hold it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. 30-second break. We're almost a third of the way done the video, you guys, so amazing job if you've been following along at home. Keep up the great work. Very important if you're trying to see results, you guys, really make sure you follow along at home. That's how you guys are going to see the best results. So again, keep doing this, keep following along at home. You guys will see results. Trust me on this. So we're going to do it again. So get ready, you guys. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. 30-second break. And then after this, we'll do it one more time, and then we'll do a new exercise. The new exercise, very good for your Kegels, you guys. Again, during your 30-second break, you guys can do what you want. But when that 30-second break is up, you guys got to do the exercise. Keep following along at home, you guys. Very good to do. And get into position. We're going to do it again, you guys. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. We're going to take a 30-second break, then we're going to do a new exercise. Great job if you guys have been following along at home. Keep this up, you guys. This is how you're going to see results. And if anyone wondering, because I do all these exercises, I show you guys how to do them. Yes, my Kegel muscles are extremely strong from doing these. And yours will be too. All you guys got to do is just follow along at home. And again, you will see the results. Okay, you guys, next exercise is one of my favorites. I love doing this exercise, especially for your Kegels. If you are trying to build Kegels, you're trying to build your Kegel muscles, if you're not doing this exercise, you are missing out. I guarantee you that. So this exercise is the bridge. We're going to do 10 repetitions followed by a 10-second break. So to do these, you guys, we're just going to lift our hips up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Followed by a 30-second break. Then we will do it again. So great job, you guys. Keep it up. There's only 4 minutes to go. We are almost done the workout. Okay, we'll do it again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Followed by a 30-second break, my friends. Okay, you guys, we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,